New details now on a deadly situation on Loop 101. A man found shot to death inside a car that was set on fire actually on the freeway. And a woman now could face first-degree murder charges.
Now 12 News journalist Gabriela Becerra is joining us and is learning what may have stemmed from a suicide pact. Gabby?
That's right, Troy Caribe. I just went through some newly obtained court documents which reveal what led up to this gruesome death and how it was carried out. The suspect allegedly told detectives that she and the victim planned this together. 23-year-old Tana'Sa Chambers is accused of killing a man identified as her boyfriend and burning his body.
I don't think tragic is a serious enough word for what has allegedly occurred here.
According to court records, Chambers allegedly admitted to killing the man, saying he instructed her to light him on fire and shoot him in the head. She allegedly purchased a gun the day before the incident with intent to carry out this plan. Records reveal she shot the victim while driving on the Loop 101, reportedly telling detectives she held the steering wheel with her left hand and used her right hand to fire the gun. She allegedly pulled over near Union Hills Drive, set the car on fire and attempted to shoot herself, but says the gun was jammed.
Wasn't a act of random violence, but more of something that was directed towards each other.
Chambers was booked in the Maricopa County Jail, where she's being monitored for concerns of self-harm.
She does have a history of some type of mental illness.
Chambers is being held on a $1 million cash-only bond. Her attorney requested a lower amount, asking a judge to allow Chambers' family to help her seek treatment.
They're the ones who actually notified the police during the initial search for my client and the victim in this case. I think they were very involved in getting the officers to the locations where they could find them.
And according to court records, Chambers allegedly expressed remorse over what happened. Officials have not yet publicly identified the victim. In Glendale, Gabriela Becerra, 12 News.
Yeah, and what an awful case, Gabby, and puzzling too. I still don't understand why they decided to carry this out in the middle of a freeway with people, driving all around them.
That's something the suspect allegedly did not talk about in the Form 4. Of course, we'll continue to follow up and ask more questions as investigators learn more about this case.
Yeah.
And the fact that the victim is not around to confirm what she's saying.
If there was a suicide
If there was
pact.
a suicide pact.
Right.
All right. Gabby, thank you.
Thank you, Gabby. Construction worker